This is exercise 13.1 class 6 maths NCERT symmetry. The chapter is symmetry. Now the symmetry deals with the figures which can be divided into two equal and same parts. That is called symmetry, or these figures are called symmetrical figures. Now list any four symmetrical figures या objects from your home and school. तो फोर सिमेट्रिकल ऑब्जेक्ट्स कुछ भी हो सकते हैं. ब्लैक बोर्ड हो गया, टेबल टॉप, पेयर ऑफ सीजर्स एंड कंप्यूटर डिस्क. ये सिमेट्रिकल फिगर्स हैं, इनमें हम लाइन ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. नाउ फॉर द गिवन फिगर विच वन इज़ द मिरर लाइन, L1 और L2. So here you can see L1 is not dividing the figure into two parts, but L2 is dividing the figure into two parts. That's why L2 is the mirror line or the symmetrical line in the following figure. Question number 3. Check whether the following figures are given. These are symmetric or not. First, it is a lock. It is symmetrical. B, it is also symmetrical. C cannot be divided into two parts to equal same part. That's why C is not symmetrical. D is symmetrical. E is also symmetrical, and F is also symmetrical. This you have to write, and then you have to draw lines in the following figures also. This type you can draw the line. Figure C is not there because it is not a symmetrical object, so we cannot draw the lines, so that's why I have left that. Okay, in this lock you will draw a vertical line. In glass you can draw vertical line. In telephone you can draw vertical line. In E and E figure you have to draw horizontal line, or in F figure you have to draw vertical line. Question number 4. Copy the following on a square paper. स्क्वायर पेपर क्या होता है, जो पहले हम मैथमेटिक्स थर्ड फोर्थ क्लास में, सेकंड क्लास में करते हैं. मैथ बॉक्स वाली जो नोटबुक होती है उसी को स्क्वायर पेपर कहते हैं. उन्हीं पेपर का यूज़ करके ये फिगर हम ड्रॉ करेंगे और फिर इनको कंप्लीट करेंगे. सो दीज आर हाफ फिगर्स आर ड्रॉन, वी हैव टू कंप्लीट इट. तो फर्स्ट फिगर जब हम कंप्लीट करेंगे तब वो ऐसी बन जाएगी. Then second figure जब हम complete करेंगे that it will drawn like that. C figure will be become like this. Then D, then E, then F. So this is the complete figure or the solution or the answer of question number 4. Now in question number 5, yellow figure is your question and that second part, this is our answer. इसमें ये कह रहे हैं इस फिगर को आप कंप्लीट करें और ऐसा कंप्लीट करें कि ये सिमेट्रिक बन जाए. Here you can see in yellow part, this is half part. You have to complete the figure and you have to draw the full part. This is your answer or this is your question. This is question given, this is your answer. Okay, this is the complete figure. In question number 6, in the figure L is the line of symmetry. Draw the image of the rectangle, triangle and complete the diagram. अब ये कह रहे हैं L जो है वो line of symmetry है, लेकिन लग तो नहीं रही है. So we have to complete this figure as कि ये line of symmetry बन जाए. तो इस फिगर को हम और क्या फिगर इसमें ड्रॉ करें कि ये जो लाइन है ये लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री बन जाए. तो अगर हम इस फिगर को इस तरीके से ड्रॉ कर देते हैं, देन जो लाइन बनी हुई है वो इसकी लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री बन जाएगी. मतलब एक और ट्राइंगल हम इसमें एक्स्ट्रा ज्वाइन कर देंगे.